Postman Paap, Postman Paap, Postman Paap, and his black and white cat. He picks up all the posts in his van. Everybody knows his bright red van. Letters
of thanks, letters from banks, letters of joy from the girl and the boy, receipted bills and invitations to inspect new stock or to visit.
Pat feels he's
a robot postman. I'd better be on my way now with the peat.
Now don't you be overdosing on it. You'll be fine if you'll only relax a bit more.
Thanks again. Cheerio.
Bye, Pat. Bye, Pat.
Sorry I'm late. I popped in to see Dr. Gilling. Oh, I just feel so sick.
Oh, Pat, I'm sorry to see you like this. But it seems there's nobody to take your place. Wake up, Pat. Best be getting on.
What? Yes, I'd better be on my way.
Come on, come on. You can go faster than this.
But not in Ted Glen's workshop. Something was...
Oh, bollocks. Let's try that again.
What was happening?
Ouch! Balls.
Morning, Pat. Whatever are you up to with all these boxes? Come and have a look at this. Can you pass a pile of that paper? What? This? You bung it in your bung hole. And off we go. Oh dear.
Oh, bollocks.
Well, one of these. I suppose I can always pull the smoke.
Oh, shit. Shoo! Get back, you bastard!
It's all right, Mrs. Goggins. Sorry it gave you a fright. You see, it's the new robot, but...
Just what I supposed. I've heard about these computers. I'll leave you to your crap, Ted, if you don't mind. There's work to be done.
Pat had finished the first lot of heat and was coming back for more. Have you seen Pat go by, Pat?
I spent all of yesterday shitting out paper. What the fuck, Ted? Why did you work with Pat and Matt to replace me with this fucking monstrosity while I was shitting out paper yesterday?
I'll just switch you off. Hey! Fuck you! It's not for me, you fucker. Come back!
George, see who that is, will you?
It's Pat on wheels.
Oh, and it's given me a letter.
That's
That's sweet, really.
2 hours later.
Quick, Pat, before it does any damage. Dorothy wondered why the chickens were making such chickens. Then this thing... Who's this driving through the farmyard? Must have mud up to its chin. He's stuck.